Hi Twinkle Star, today we are playing Rescue Animals. I die all the time, I can't. So today we are playing this. I changed the name of my YouTube channel if you're a real fan, you'll know. But also, so I haven't been posting. It's just because I knew I was gonna die. Okay. It's like a biohazard. This is where you open. Yeah. Base. I could buy this. So how do I get this? Oh, there's literally an ice ring. How does ice rings get on fire? I don't know. There's an Arctic fox. Oh, that's cute. Not your best. What do you mean not my best? What? Where's the tower? Where's the tower? Yeah. How do we take it? So someone's face is there. That's cute. How's people taking it? Yeah, I'm going back to my base. Okay. Hello, madam. How are you? Excuse me, how are you guys? Are you in a good home? Especially you, are you in a good home? Oh, look at those puppy eyes. I think bears are kind of puppies. Dogs, I mean. How are you, Mr. Tree? Not good, okay. I get you. How do you do this thing? No. Finally! I got some of this. I'm gonna feed my pony that. Please. Okay. I'm gonna give you feed that. Ah. How are you already on fire? Okay. Oh yeah, they are already. Dun, dun. I think the key. Let me get the key. Kiki. This is a big damn key. Okay. Key. Oh, cute raccoon. Raccoon's a good baby. I'm joking. Actually, I don't have that one. I'm joking. Oh, hey. Where's my house? Not my house. I don't know that. What? Where's my house? Okay. Bye-bye. Okay, yay, I got cheese. Oh, someone was up there. Do I die still? Oh yeah, boss music. Let me go. Ooh, ooh, do, do, do. Hello, madam. You're totally not safe. Hey, monkey. Drop. We don't want you. Yeah. I'm recording. Excuse me. Hello. I'm gonna feed you because I don't. Oh, you just want to turn brown again. Yeah, no. Oh, like treats. What treats do you got, madam? What you have in stock? No, that's whatever you do. He wants a carrot. I wanna feed you because I don't feed you. Stop walking up. You just gold again. Great. Okay. Oh. Imagine you get to there and get mythic. Okay, that's crazy. What the heliante? Oh, you can swim out. Now I understand how you got there. I'm gonna get this. Save. Please don't burn down. Oh, this is how you get them in the day. Yeah. That scared me. I want to place you, please. That's not a pet. Like, they just said place to pet. That ain't a pet. Crazy. Maybe gonna go try to get another one. Yeah. Let the world burn. I got a fire extinguisher. That didn't go on fire though. That just exploded. That makes no sense. Oh yep, I need to get the key. Never mind, there is no key. I put it in the museum again. Unicorn. Save. Oh, cute. Look and save. Bye-bye. I'll maybe come back for you. What's remove? Remove. I like brown unicorns. And now I like these. Or not, there's a brown unicorn. I'm gonna grab you and bye-bye. So guys, that's the end of today's video. If you want to see more Roblox videos or Tokoboka videos, just make sure to watch all my videos, because when I hit 10 million or 1 million, there's gonna be a crazy thing. So bye bye guys. If you had a good time, then make sure to do a feedback in the comments, or just say like if you hate it or not, because I'll just make some changes. Bye guys. Bye Twinkle Stars. I'll see you in the next video that I believe I'm posting today. Bye guys.